Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and welcome to this new series for my students which I will give as a name Sunday Technical Analyze. Okay, so what is the Sunday Technical Analyze? Basically every Sunday I will be asking you, my students, what kind of charts you want me to analyze. So yeah, basically I have two phone numbers, that's why here on the group you will see that I say my own number under Joe. And I said, if you want me to analyze some charts, please send me pairs here and I will make a video tonight. And I got several charts, as you can see, Gagno, Euro THF, and THF. I got Michael, who sent me charts. Gagno, again, another summary. We got Mark, we got Mohammed, Anita. We have so many students. So basically, Gagno made a kind of summary, okay? I will try to copy all of them, like this is gonna be easier for me. So we have Euro CHF, okay, which I know is a very interesting pair. We have NSD CHF. We had a lot of news regarding NSD last week, so maybe we will got some correction this week. Euro USD also interesting. And I will explain to you why, if you're trading Euro and NSD, don't trade Euro JPY, Euro USD, or Euro CHF. I will be explaining this. There is also GBP USD as a pair, nice. What other pairs do we have? Okay, USD CAD. Okay, we don't have it, so I will add it. And I really hope that this kind of video you will enjoy, guys. So at the end, you will let me know. Just give a comment in the video, guys, and just let's enjoy. And you can see that my group is very active. Anyway, you can see Ashley, who made a lot of charts, and so I will be giving a direct feedback into group, so not in this video because it's gonna take too long. So okay, so let's get started with all of those pairs, okay? And I will start from the beginning for all of them. So let's go on trading view and let's get started. Basically, what is our first chart? So the first chart that we will start with is GBP USD. Let's go to the weekly charts to first identify the trend. So as you can see, the higher high have been reached. So we have like a bearish trend, but at the same time we have a bullish trend. So this kind of area, okay, is called a wedge, okay, a wedge, because we don't know if we really have a bearish trend or a bullish trend, okay. So at the moment it's pretty confused. We don't really know in the long term what's gonna happen. And why is it interesting to know the trend that we have? Because if it's bullish, then we're buying the long term. If it's bearish, then we're selling the long term. Basically, you can see, we don't know what's gonna happen. So let's see. So GBP USD undetermined trend. Now we have to go to the daily. So my major resistance is here. I sold over here. I also sold over here. Now what's happening? At the moment, nothing. There is a really weak intra. So let me delete this. Boom. Something like this, okay? But even like this, something, yeah, we have a kind of intra, but I wouldn't draw it because simply for a few reasons. You can see here it worked, then broken, then broken, then broken, then broken, broken, worked broken, and it's so easy to break it, and here boom. So for me, GBP USD is not an interesting pair, okay, simply because I mean there is nothing, and the only thing that I think it will go up in the little term, okay, but this is purely speculation and it's not based on the technical analysis. It's with the MA 200, okay. So as you can see, here is my MA for those who want to see it. MA 200 closed, okay, it's in red. Basically it touch it, then it will bounce back up. It's also oversold, so technically, and also more speculation, because for me when I'm talking about technical is when we are talking about my own strategy that you guys know, my students. Here we really don't know. There is not all of the information, as you know. So for the moment, in the short term, for me, GBP USD should go up with some speculation, okay. It should go up like this, but this is purely speculation and I wouldn't trade it, okay. And I would really not trade it at the moment because I'm only trading when I'm sure of myself. I'm not trading when I'm not sure, I'm a bit scared of what's happening, okay. So for GBP USD, okay, this pair done, okay. So let's say technically nothing, and then we have like the speculation. Sorry for my voice, I'm a bit sick. up. Okay, this is for me at the moment. Now let's go with Euro THF. Okay, I'm already in that trade. I'm gonna explain to you why. So basically, yeah, sorry, here is here. Oh, oops, sorry. Okay, basically, let me explain to you why. Boom, boom. So what's happening with that pair? So I'm gonna delete everything. Okay, this is very important. I'm going on the weekly, and Euro CHF is a pair that doesn't have too many movements. Okay, this pair is pretty slow, very, very, very slow. Boom, boom. So as you can see, at the moment we have a bearish trend, but on the weekly, what you can see is that it's we have a kind of support touching the wicks over here. Here, once it broke the resistance, it was because of some news. It also break the bearish EMA. So on the, as you can see, the MA is showing us a bearish trend previously, and now we have a bullish one because it's bullish because it's above, okay, the MA 200. Basically, it means in the long term it should go, especially when it's reaching this kind of support. Okay, now let's zoom out, and you can see, yeah, boom, touched previously. So it's very interesting pair. Now, what we can also notice is that this level has already been touched. Okay, and now it's oversold. Okay, and it's touched, and here it was exactly the same thing. As you can see, the correlation. The correlation is something very powerful. So here, as you can see, it touched, we had a doji, and it was also oversold. So it was a strong information that tell us, yeah, it's gonna go back up, and boom, it went up. And if you're a swing trader holding, like, boom, a lot of pips. Now we have exactly the same thing, the same kind of candles. So we have the MA 200 showing us an uptrend. We have the stochastic correlated with the support. Here we had a doji. We don't have a candle rejection, but the candle looks like similar. Okay, so this is the information that we can get at the weekly. Now if we're going deeper, because we have our weekly job, we can see lovely candles. So we had a long bearish days for Euro THF, especially because Euro was really weak during the last week. For those who were trading last week, they noticed that Euro was very weak with all of the pairs. So Euro GPY, Euro NSD, Euro CAD, Euro USD, maybe I already said, and Euro STHF. So as you can see, for a pair that is not that much volatile, this variation is big, okay? Is very big. Boom. Barely 200 pips. Oops, sorry. So what do we see? This trade is really interesting because if I zoom out, you can see that it touched that level. And if I zoom, always check with the past, check. And you can see that this level, boom, has been touched, boom, boom. And it's working pretty well. Always check out with the past, okay? Always check it out. And as you can see, what are the informations that we have here? So basically, the weekly is telling us it's gonna go up. Now, at the daily, we can see that we have a bearish trend, okay? A bearish trend, whoop, sorry. The stochastic is correlated with the support. And this is a very strong information, okay? This is a very strong information. So wait, now it's 11:44, okay, PM over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick video because I already have this trade, okay? I'm not in big profit and I have a small trade of 2 lot because I don't like to hold my trades over the weekend. As you can see like this, because I will put here on the left side of the chart the account and you will see directly what I'm talking about. Perfect. So here is my account, you can see, perfect. Okay, now if we go back here, what do we see? We have the support, first information. The second one is that we have the stochastic oversold. And which is very important is that the let's say the practice word, the practice part with our support that we have drawn is correlated, is linked to our support. So basically both are correlated and is very powerful. And finally, we can see that if we zoom a bit, we have a lovely doji candle, okay? So yeah, there is several names. Here we have a shooting star, but for me, they all have the same function. So I'm calling all of them dojis. So this is a pivot candle. So it means that after this candle, boom, it's gonna go up. That's why now Euro THF is a very, very, very interesting pair to trade. So for me, it's a good buy. Okay, good buy, really good buy. So Euro THF, buy Euro THF, and let's make some cheers. Okay, so this is like my trade, guys, and let's get it. Let's get it. You know what? I'm gonna send it live to you guys on the group. Okay, so UTHF technically buy. Okay, there is no speculation. Perfect. Um, wait. I'm gonna add picture screen. Let's get it, guys. Okay, perfect. Like this, everyone is happy. Perfect. Now let's go with Euro USD. T-Spear is also very interesting. Wow, awesome, awesome. You can already see the gap, okay, and which represent few pips already, and which is like pretty good when you have a 10 lot account. You can see like it's like 15 pips, so it's pretty nice. Anyway, now let's go back to T-Spear. So basically, we have a bearish trend with Euro USD. We can see that it broke the MA 200, so it's gonna keep going down normally, okay, but this information is just giving us a kind of preview. Now let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. So on today, what's happening? As you can see, there is two. Oh, I have a student who's Quentin. Big up to you, brother. He's a French guy. I really appreciate him. We're making money together. I really love you, bro. Let's talk later. But now I'm doing the Sunday technical analysis. So basically, what do we have? It's very interesting because Euro USD has a lower low over here, okay, basically. But I'm gonna quit WhatsApp if you keep sending messages. Anyway, as you can see here, we have two kinds of area. We have this one, okay, at like 1.121, okay, but there is also this level 1.11928, brothers. This level is also very low. So basically what you can do, here we have a support, okay, so first information. Oops, sorry. Oh no way 1 minute charts. As you can see the gap. I hate 1 minute charts. So first thing is that we have, let's say, a major support. Okay, then what do we have? We have stochastic, okay, then we have correlation, stock and support. We have doji candle. We have also the candle rejection, okay, boom. So this is information that we have, okay, and those informations are telling us that it's gonna go up, okay. And basically now you're wondering, okay, Switzy, but let's assume and make the assumption that it's gonna keep going down and be here. Okay, in that case, if you are trading, and we're considering my case where I'm trading a 10 lot, don't put a fucking 10 lot over here. Put a 5 lot. I know you, maybe if it keeps going up, you will be pissed. Yeah, Switzy, you told me to put the half that lot that I'm normally using, but bro, trading is all about mathematics, about statistics, okay? So we're just trying to minimize our risk and increasing our profit. So yeah, here we're minimizing risk because I'm talking trading is not about only technical analysis. There is also the emotional part. So if you are getting here and it's going down with a huge lot for you, bro, you're gonna get pissed, you're gonna close your trade, okay? So what I would recommend to you, bro, if you have some balls, you put a 5, okay, basically let's take my case. I'm trading 10 lot. Here I will put a 5 lot buy if I'm getting in your USD. I will put a 5 lot, then I will take my profit over here probably, okay? So that's around, let's say, yeah, 56 pips is good. Even here 46 is fine. 50 anyway, so I will put a 5 lot, I will take my profit, it will be 2.5 grand, it's good. But let's say it's keep going down, okay, touch this support, okay, my real major one, I put like this over here because it's not like the real major because it already has been broken, but as you can see, here we didn't have the correlation, so it was because of some news, okay. But basically this is our real support, but because of this I'm taking some precaution and just saying it's not the real one, but yes it is, because this kind of breakdown is linked to news anyway. So Here I would put 5 lot. If it keeps going down, then I will get in 7 lot. Like this, I will be extra 3 lot if I'm getting the trade, and finally I will make my profit. Anyway, Euro USD, Euro Chief, both are in an uptrend, but please be careful, okay? Where Euro USD over here. Okay, nothing. Speculation. Let's make it clear. Perfect. So why not trading Euro USD, Euro etc? Because if one pair getting fucked, then all of your pairs are fucked regarding Euro. So if you are buying Euro USD, okay, and Euro THF, and there is some bad news regarding Euro, then you will get fucked in both trades. So please be careful, take cautions, okay? Please, please. I'm saying this for you, not for me, okay? Because I know how to trade. It's for you guys. It's for you. You need to be careful with the markets, okay? And especially Euro USD, Euro has been weak, as you can see, big drop like we already have seen with Euro THF. So now, normally this week, Euro will recover, okay? Perfect. Now, let's keep going. Euro NSD, Euro NSD. So Euro NSD. At the moment, let's go to the weekly. We have a kind of weekly chart, okay? We were selling Euro NSD, I will show you why. Um, it's interesting because we have downtrend, but MA is showing us it's been rejected. So basically, with this information, we should expect it, and also it's oversold. So basically, Euro NSD should go up. Another information, yeah. So yeah, as you can see, touched like this several times. It's nice. Middle of the market, nothing to do. So please don't trade. Now, for those who still don't know, I'm just gonna do an extra information. I know that some of you always forget this information, but let me explain to you. Here we have a resistance. Over here we have, I have to put it lower, a support, okay, and yeah, support. Here we have something that we call the green zone, and here we have this, and now perfect. Okay, it's not that much clean. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, this is free content, so be happy, guys. Be fucking happy. So, fuck it. I just wanted to. Okay, perfect. So, basically, oh fuck. Okay, basically, what do we have here? Here we have a support in black. Here we have a resistance. Here in green we have like area that we trade, and in the middle we don't trade. Why? Because when you are near to the resistance is like being near to a coast, okay? So there is everyone to help you, retail traders and all of this to help you, okay? When you're in the middle of the trend, okay, you don't control anything. You're with sharks, and sharks are the comparison, the link. It's a metaphor for like the bankers, market makers, brokers, government to take your money. They can do whatever they want because you don't control anything. There is like no real support, no real resistance. So here, if they want to go up, they can. If they want to go down, they can. Okay. But when you're near to the resistance, it's like being like near to the beach. Okay. There is people. They can see you. They have boat. They can come and help you and save your life. Here it's the same thing. You have all of the retail traders, and boom. Okay, I will answer later. When you're here, you can do whatever you want because traders, bankers will have to go with the trend. But in the middle, they can fuck you. And that's why we always need to have a correlation between our resistance, so here, and our support. Okay, here you can see we had a resistance, you see, and our stochastic was overbought. So this is like the practical part has to be linked with the mathematical part. From 0 to 20, it's oversold, it has to be our support. From 20 to 80, we don't trade, and from 80 to 100, it's overbought, it has to be near to our resistance. So basically, this is for Euro NSD. So at the moment, there is nothing, okay? So Euro NSD, nothing. Nothing to trade. Perfect. Euro JPY, again, it's starting to be boring to analyze all of those Euro JPY pairs. There is nothing, it's a middle, there is nothing clear, so let's avoid also nothing to trade. So basically for me there is not that much. Oh, we already had GBP USD, my fault. There is not always that many trades to trade, okay? There's not, I mean, the market is not giving us that amount of opportunity, so we just have to take those who are safe, those that we are sure that we can make money. It's better to trade like less and have like accurate shit than trading everything and losing, because when you start losing, you're starting to becoming weak emotionally and all of this. Now let's go, oh fuck, sorry again, with CAD-JPY. CAD-JPY, as you can see, resistance, support, middle of the trend, nothing to trade. Some traders are trying to draw daily trend, and as you can see, that's why it's about to drop. Then you're going to the 4-hour charts. You can see it's overbought, it touched. So now it's gonna go down in the small trend. CAD-JPY, okay? Okay, CAD-JPY, we did technically down. Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Oh fuck, sorry. I'm a bit sick, guys. That's ooh, as you can see, the correction. It barely touched the lower low, but okay, let's go to daily to see what's happening with the charts. So yeah, I was talking with my students. We on the weekly we have a lovely bullish trend, and at the moment there is absolutely nothing, especially with the MA200 touching, rejecting, going down. So don't trade. Wait it for the for Euro AUD to touch the trend. Okay, once it will touch the trend, guys, trust me, it's a weekly trend. So boom, it will go up. So this week, if Euro I mean, if AUD is getting stronger, Euro USD will go down, and I swear, guys, it will go up. Perfect. So, Euro AUD, technically, wait few days before touching the trend. Now, NSDTHF. NSDTHF. Let's check it out. Okay, same thing we saw here. So now the market is at the middle of the trend, guys. So don't trade. We have a lovely bearish trend regarding this. We saw over here. We saw over here. Now we're just waiting, guys. Middle of the market. Be patient. That's the key. So here, NSDTHF, nothing to trade to. Okay, AUD CAD. AUD CAD. AUD CAD, nothing to trade, okay? Nothing to trade to, middle of the trend. Okay, and finally, let's end it up with AUD CAD. Wait, I did already AUD CAD. Oh shit, okay, my fault. Okay, USD CAD now. Oh. Now USD CAD is also like saw over here, didn't get here because no correlation with the stock. But yeah, we saw also the same thing, so nothing. So yeah, guys, so nothing. So basically, I hope you enjoy like this Sunday technical analyze. I will try to make Sunday analyze every fucking Sunday during this year. So I really hope you enjoy. Just put a like for you guys. I'm just doing this for you, my students. So just enjoy it, and yeah, let's keep talking in my group. Cheers, guys.